buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can insert a SIM card to your Motorola Moto G14. For that you need a simple paperclip or your SIM card ejector. I'm going to take a simple paperclip and now we need to find the SIM card slot, and on this phone it's on the side here. So we take our paperclip and poke it in the hole, and then this pops out and we can take it out. So we have a space for 2 SIM cards and a SD card. So we're gonna take our SIM card and put that in the hole here, and then we're gonna put the whole thing back in the phone. And now we need to unlock our SIM card, and now we're back in the phone. You see we have service now, and if we go to our settings and then go to network and internet, we have our Kongstar provider here, so we can, well, make phone calls, send SMS or whatever else. So that's how you can insert a SIM card to your Motorola Moto G14. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.